Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save up radar events in Last Z Survival. Alright, let's begin. Look at the top of the screen just before reset. Even after the reset timer ends, you'll notice that radar events do not disappear. This means you can claim them after reset and still receive points. For example, if you have 8 radar events saved and 5 more available, claiming all 13 will give you full points. With active buffs, each radar event can give you hundreds to 1,000 points. Now let's talk about Laura's radar events. If you do not open Laura before reset, her events will disappear. However, if you open her after reset, you can still claim completed events and receive versus points. This makes it smart to save their events until just before reset, especially on Sundays and Thursdays. The number of radar events you can stack depends on your radar level. At higher levels, you can stack up to 40 events. You can check this limit in the upper left corner. Saving radar events consistently allows you to open multiple versus boxes using radar events alone. So that's basically how you can save up radar events in Last Z Survival. That's it for this video. Thanks.